Welcome to Cooking Co-Pilot, your one-stop shop for easy-to-follow recipes. Today, let's make the most delicious and easiest chicken curry. This recipe is perfect for beginners and will have you feeling like a pro in no time. Let's get started with the recipe. Our first step is to cook the chicken using a pressure cooker. In a cooker, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Turn the gas flame to medium and heat the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the oil is heated, add 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 3 to 4 black peppers, 2 cardamom, and an inch of cinnamon stick. Now we'll add 1 medium size. We'll saute the onion until it becomes soft. As you can see, the onions are almost transparent. Now I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for about a minute. Now I'll be adding 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Add 1 teaspoon of salt as well. Cook the tomatoes until they are soft. Now as you can see, our tomatoes are soft, so now we'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Saute this for about a minute. Now I'll be adding about 500 grams of chicken. Once all the chicken pieces are added, stir the pieces with the mixture for about a minute. Now we'll be adding about 1 glass of water. Give a quick stir. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook on medium heat for 3 whistles. That is approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Let's prepare masala for our chicken curry. Heat a pan on medium flame. Now add about 2 medium sized sliced onions. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil to it. Saute the onions for about 10 minutes or until light brown. The onions have cooked well and are now, so I'll be transferring the onions to a plate. Into the same pan, I'll be adding about 1/4 cup of sliced dry coconut. In case if you don't have dry coconut available, use sliced fresh coconut and follow the same procedure. Roast the coconut for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn light brown. The coconut is roasted well, and now we'll transfer it to a plate and let it cool for some time before grinding the masala. To take a mixer jar, add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. To this, I'll be adding the dry roasted coconut. Grind this into a fine powder. I'll be adding the roasted onions and a handful of coriander. Add some water to this mixture and grind it to a smooth paste. As you can see, our masala has grinded very well and it's very smooth in consistency. Now let's get started with preparing the curry. Take a kadai or a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, turn the gas flame to medium heat and add the grinded masala. Stir the grinded masala continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. We will be cooking the masala until the oil starts to separate. Remember to stir the masala occasionally. As you can see, the oil has started to separate out. Now we'll be adding the dry masalas to it. So we'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and about 1 teaspoon of salt. After that, let's add about 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. Cook for about a minute. Now add about 1/4 cup of warm water. Now we'll add the pressure cooked chicken into the pan. Add water if required. Remember to add warm water. Now I'll close the lid and cook the chicken for about 15 minutes on low flame. And there you have it. Our delicious aromatic chicken curry is ready to be enjoyed. Serve with roti, rice, or naan bread. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you.